Meal planning is one of the things that you can do to simplify your whole entire life. When you meal plan, you can save money, streamline your life, help to reduce food waste, and so much more. We are on day 27 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, and we're getting to the part of the challenge where we're going to begin doing the daily focuses. Well, one of these focuses is planning and desk day, and during planning and desk day, we're going to meal plan. So that's what we're going to focus on today on day 27 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today we're going to add to our habits meal planning. Don't worry if you're only meal planning for just today. As a matter of fact, I kind of want you to, so that we can get into the habit of doing things. Before the challenge is over, I plan to have a video out for you that is going to tell you exactly how to do all of the daily focuses and how to put everything into action. So for today, just know we're working on the meal planning portion part. So remember when we were asking ourselves what's for dinner, this would be the point of the challenge where we will not only think about it, but also plan it out, write it out, see what ingredients we have and we do not have, what exactly we are missing to make things more seamless. When we do things in this seamless manner, we make it easier for ourselves during the future and also for our families. We can help our family have nutritious meals. If you have no idea how to start meal planning, that's okay. You can simply begin thinking about what did you eat yesterday, what did you eat the day before, and so on and so forth until you have a weekly meal plan. Or you can also start from today, write down what you're having for dinner today, tomorrow, and the following. That way, by this time next week, you will have a 7-day meal plan. If you have a little bit of extra time and energy, don't just meal plan dinner, but also breakfast and lunch as well. This can super help you to save a lot of money and simplify your life. However, if you only have the capacity to do dinner right now, that is perfectly fine. A done something is better than a perfect nothing after all. Just start from where you are and do what you can. Meal planning can be super duper fun and doesn't have to be boring at all. My family and I do theme days and we look forward to it every single day. We have things like Taco Tuesday, pizza nights, meatless Mondays, etc. So it will be super duper fun to do that as well. You can even have your children or your spouse select a meal too. You can have a family favorites night. It can be a blast and a half. There are also a lot of apps and websites that help you to create your meal plan. Apps and websites like Supercook will definitely help you plan your recipes by you putting everything that you have in your home. And guess what? You can even do a no spend month. Like right now, my family and I are doing no spend November, which if you're interested, maybe next year we can do it together. So that would be super duper fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about that. There are just many ways that you can make it super fun. You can even have some meals that you put in a jar and you pick if you want a surprise. You don't necessarily have to meal plan from Sunday to Saturday either. You can definitely just put 7 meals together and then decide in the morning or the night before what it is that you want to make the next day. Just be sure that you have it on the top of your mind and don't leave it for the last minute, because that's when we're left to scramble about and maybe we make something that's not exactly the most nutritious or even the most tastiest for our families. Once I do plan to go live, so we can talk about that a little bit more then. My voice has been a little bit better by God's grace. If you come on with me tomorrow, we can talk more about that and a little bit more. I usually live Wednesdays at 12 p.m. EST. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm super duper excited to see you tomorrow for day 28. Oh my goodness, can you believe it? Of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. I'm so proud of you. Let me know in the comments down below which area in your home have you seen the most impact in. We are in zone 2, the kitchen, so if you want to continue decluttering there, that'll be excellent, just so you can get in the habits of which zones to do and when. Eventually, your whole entire home will not just be decluttered, but super duper organized, and you literally will not know what to do when the zone comes, and it's going to be so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.